After hearing that Evil's new bike, the Calling, was 26 plus compatible, we were eager to see what all the hype was about. We finally got a set mounted up, just in time for the snow. Hey guys, Dan here at Fanatic Bike Co. Just finished my very first ride on Evil's new The Calling, mounted up with 26 plus tires. And boy was it awesome. We got a bunch of snow out here, as you can see, especially higher up all over the trails. And this thing climbed like a billy goat. We got here WTB Scraper plus size rim, mounted to a DT Swiss 350 hub, which is one of the best budget hubs out there. Super durable, fairly light as well. Also, we got Surly's awesome Dirt Wizard tires, 26 by 2.75, one of the few out there right now. A great tire. Anyways, if you have any questions about this bike or want to try and build up a custom one yourself, you know where to find us, fanaticbike.com. Thanks.